And once again, we are back. Pleasant, good morning, all right? It's the takeover once again right here on I&I Radio, 102.3, 99.7, 105.3. It's your boy DJ Brandon.
Chanel Alyssa Smith.
And your boy Soup Scudder. Don't forget the da-da-da. You heard?
And we got our special guest in the building today. You already know each and every first and third Sunday. You already know what take place. Sound system roll call. Mr. Jimmy in the building.
Jimmy's equal.
You already know. What's going on? What's going on?
I'm here, star, ready for the big thing this weekend, this Sunday. Big sequence, Courage. Classic, I don't know the sound classic, but I hear them wicked.
Alright.
And when I look at Bridging, Money Machine. Yeah, it should be a vibe.
Alright.
Is there going to be anybody from the last sound? No?
Everybody's different.
Everybody. Okay.
Yeah, so usually it's me and Hot Stepper promoting it.
Yeah.
But we've been kind of mixing it up. The last event, Hot Stepper was on it. And this event I'm on.
Nice.
The next one, I think we're going to do straight self-powered. Okay. So neither one of us will be on the next one. So yeah, this time it's me and Courage. Courage, your father should know about Courage. Courage is the original sound from back in the 80s, 90s.
Okay, alright.
So you have two veteran sound on this one.
Nice. Alright. You don't know Sunday. I heard the first Sunday of this one. Soup was out there.
I attended the functions, alright? Now, I can tell you guys what really goes down at the sound system rollout, alright? Listen, it's a real clash. Don't let Mr. Jimmy come up here and tell you guys that it's just a nice outing. And we're gonna, have food and
it's a nice friendly vibe.
It's a friendly-ish vibe, all right?
We're playing tunes, but it's kind of a friendly vibe.
Mr. Jimmy, I seen a man go. That one there for your mother.
But we tried to discourage the mother thing.
No. It was good though. It was good. It was a friendly one. It wasn't too bad. You know what I'm saying?
Man get mad when you talk about their mother.
Yeah.
We tried to stay away from that.
Out of those 6 sounds, it was like 4 out of them, it was those dudes was going at it with each other. You know what I'm saying? They was talking back and forth. It was a good thing.
But it make a moment.
Yeah.
I know it. I survived.
We get to watch it on
the channel Sequence Sound on the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So you usually record the whole duration, or you just make different?
Well, I was recording a lot more, but the videos were too long, so now I kind of chop it up. Okay. So I do the clash separate. And I always post the clash first, because you don't know that everybody coming to look for the clash.
Right, of course.
Yeah.
So I do early setup, and then I do the clash, because the songs in between, when you're playing songs, there's too much copyright issues. They're blocking it everywhere.
Yeah, your audio getting cut. The whole video might not get this.
Because people try to watch it from England, and they're telling me it's blocked in England. So I'm just I'll just do setup when there's no really music.
Or instrumentals being played.
And then the clash.
Or get a Twitch account. And tell all your subscribers to come over to Twitch. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Do it live and they'll watch it from there.
Okay. That's an idea.
He's like a good video guy, bro. Like he catches the reaction.
He
captures
everything.
I'm everywhere.
He's
even
for the car show when we was down last year.
You gotta watch the clashes.
I've been doing the YouTube thing for 7 years now, so I'm kind of getting
professional.
Good at it.
Yeah, the original YouTuber.
Experience into it.
Jimmy, the first YouTuber. 8 years.
Yeah, man. But this Sunday, like we said, is taking place inside a luxurious banquet hall. That's right off of 441 and 16th Street.
Yeah, the exact address is 3500 Northwest 16th Street in Lauderhill.
Yes.
Yeah.
Free parking. Nice.
Setup.
Yeah, free parking. Nice vibe. Good security.
Yeah, good security. Yeah, real good security.
Good food.
Yeah, I got to get to the door, and I was like, I know Jimmy. It worked. It worked. Like, Jimmy boy. Yeah, boom. It's in there. Thanks, Jimmy.
I tell you, any one of you guys come to, you're in. No problem.
Yeah, man, we got for sure. Pops and I coming this Sunday.
Yeah,
already told them.
Come too.
Yeah, already told them.
First one, so.
There's not too much soca.
That's okay.
In there.
Half and half.
Where you from?
Half Jamaican, half Trinidadian.
Trinity. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Trini love reggae anyway. It's a
I know,
vibe.
yeah.
It's a vibe.
Yeah, we're gonna have to turn them sound systems down this time.
Yo, this time no. On the real though, because I have to talk about that because I've made videos talking about it because we are losing people because of the sounds. Cause the sound them too heavy stand. It's like honestly because it's a sound system thing. It's like everybody have something to prove.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
Saying so they come in trying to say, "Yo, my sound are the wickedest."
Yeah.
So what we're encouraging is come early, play your sound, tune your sound, make sure your sound I play how you want it, and then turn it down.
Turn it on.
When the people start coming, you have to turn it on. So this time I'm going to be leading by example. I'm going to turn mine down. I'm going to make sure everybody keep it on a level where people can listen comfortably because people are leaving.
Right.
Yeah.
They're like, yo, even some man, some original sound man, I say, yo, I can't take the bass start, too much bass.
Yeah, especially for the inside area there.
It's a fairly big place,
Yeah,
but nowadays, back in the days, right, when we had 24/8, double 18s and whatever, we had QSC 3600, you feel me? So those, even though them sound heavy at the time, compared to now, it was nothing.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, the amp now that I'm using for bass is
add my K60 them, all those.
Yo, the CVR 4302s.
Yeah.
That's 12,500 watts per channel. That's a lot.
Way of a lot.
That's a hell of a lot. So that's what's going on now. The AD6s are 11,000 watts per channel. That's a lot. So compared to back in the days, the sounds nowadays are earth-shaking. Trust me.
Yeah, man.
And the guys are trying to show how much they
especially when they tune to from EQs to everything.
Yeah, them dudes be doing it.
I don't know the numbers, but it was loud.
It was
Loud.
loud.
I don't know the Q4, 5, 7, 83s, but it was loud.
Trust
My
me.
ear was like, I think I was shaking the next day. Still the bass line.
Yeah, so we have to change that because I feel like a lot of people come out early. Like when we first started, some people, even sound people, came to the event because they come in to support Sequence from long time, whatever. And they must say, yo, Sequence, God no, I want to support your road boy, but I can't do the bass, too much bass. So those people are not coming back.
Right.
So every time people come and leave because of too much bass, they're not coming back. They're not going to tell nobody to come back.
The next time they're like,
you can't take it. They must say, yo, I like the sound thing, but me not comfortable.
they just want to hear that at a good level where they can still talk, still enjoy the time.
Some of them are saying, yo, honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to have a heart attack or not. It's just so much bass. I'm like, nah, we can't do that.
Yeah, your organs have to shift around.
So that is going to change. If you're listening to me, take my word, it will change.
All right.
We're going to have
like we said, there's changes along the way, progression along the way,
you have to kind of tweak it.
Yeah, of course.
So that's one of the major tweaks. The sounds will be turned down. If you came before and left because there was too much bass, come back and check it out. And if you think it's still too much bass, just look for me and tell me. And I'll make sure that I put it down to a level where you can comfortably enjoy the music.
Of course. That's the bottom line. You want people to come out and enjoy the time,
and enjoy
the music.
I want it to build.
Yeah, of course.
Tell them what time it starts.
Well, alright, let's say this. If you want to hear the sounds playing at its max, we hook up about 3. We start hooking up about 3. We start playing about 4 because they have churches in the complex.
Right.
So we start playing at 4. So between 4 and 6, if you want to hear the sound, I play
at its
peak. And come early. Come between 4 and 6 p.m. Well, say 4 and 7 because people don't really start coming until later. So after 7, when people are there, then we're going to tone it down. So come early if you want to hear the sound, and I really play at its max.
Yes.
So that's that. So it starts at say 6 officially, and it ends at 12. And according to the proprietors, the owners for the place, if the place is nice and the vibe nice, we can go till 1. So
nice. Okay.
So that's the vibe.
Make it a date. Don't be late. It's this Sunday. All right. April the 20th. Sound system roll call each and every first and third Sunday. Right.
I'm gonna be there.
Likewise.
Yeah, man, we're roll out. Trust me, we're roll out. Eat some good food out there. Take a couple drinks.
Yeah, man. Samoan food, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Samoan good. Samoan good.
What do you usually have on the menu out there? Tell them.
Well, she have fish. Last time she had conch.
Okay.
She had jerk chicken, jerk pork,
Usual something.
Yeah, the usual stuff.
Right.
But and then she have soup, good soup.
Okay.
She have even pudding.
No,
Yeah.
Good bread pudding.
Not the bread pudding. She have the sweet potato pudding. Yeah.
Potato.
Yeah, man. She have the good stuff. Good stuff.
Right, so this Sunday, like we said, inside the sound system roll call. Once again, tell them, Jimmy, where it's located and where they can find you at.
Okay, so sound system roll call. We have Sequence this weekend. Sequence, Courage, Classic, Money Machine, and the address is 3500 Northwest 16th Street in Lauderdale, Florida. That's the luxurious banquet hall, and it will be a vibe.
Facts.
Where can they find you on socials?
Oh yeah, I'm forgetting my own thing. Eh? Okay, so I am on Instagram, it's Sequence Sound. On TikTok, it's ACC Nation. On YouTube, it's Sequence Sound.
All right.
Yeah.
You know, you got TikTok, you got YouTube, you have Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you can't miss it. And like we said, it's every first and third Sunday. So you have multiple chances to come out and enjoy yourself. So make it a time, make it an enjoyable moment, make it an experience. All right. Sound system roll call this Sunday. All right, that's how we doing it. Once again, Jimmy, we appreciate you coming through on the radio.
Yeah, man. Enough
Each and every
respect.
time.
Big up yourself, Jimmy.
Yeah, man. Respect. Big up Hot Stepper. You don't know.
All right. Big up to all the sounds, all the veterans.
Oh yeah,
in the building,
let me say this. All the sound people that has actually participated in sound system roll call to date, enough respect. Saying appreciate the support because we need it. Without you guys coming out with the sound systems, we really don't have sound system roll call. So respect going out to every sound man. Saying, yeah.
If someone wants to participate, how they go about doing that?
Okay, I need the minimum speakers are 8 bass speakers.
Oh, you gotta have a speaker to
You have to have at least 8.
You have to have 8 speakers.
8 bass.
Not me. Just so the people know.
The sound system have to be minimum 8 bass speakers and top ends to match. So if you meet that criteria, and me or O'Neill or anyone recommend the sound, I would have to actually hear it because I'm not just going to bring in a sound because it might be 8 speakers. Suppose them sound like crap, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So if I think it sounds decent, then everybody have the opportunity to come in. We don't discriminate like that.
Right, it's a culture thing.
Yeah, we're building, and everybody have the opportunity as long as them sound can reach to the the levels that we need it.
Right.
Yeah.
And that's it, really. We don't care if what kind of amp or what kind of speaker. If it's sound good, it's sound good.
Yeah, that's the bottom line.
Yeah.
There you have it. If you got a sound and you want to be a part,
Link up.
Hit me
You
up.
don't, and they don't have to be a Jamaican song, right?
NASA. Any
Trinity
song.
song, American,
Any song.
any song can song.
And we don't
Like
tell
your
you what to
cousins.
play either. You
Let me
play
get some
whatever you
speakers
want.
one time.
I don't bring in one of your Trini brethren.
Right.
We don't discriminate. We need Trini people too, so a Trini sound would be welcome.
I have to link you up with Dynasty Sounds. He's on the radio too.
Okay,
We have a
cool.
sound system.
Yeah, man.
From Antigua.
See there?
Right, that's
Any sound from anywhere. I don't
Right.
care if you're
So
Haitian
Dynasty, if you're
or
listening,
wherever you are.
Bringing the vibes together.
We need different sounds anyway from different places, different people.
right?
Because again, we're not trying to make this just a Jamaican thing. We want this to be a sound system thing.
Of course.
Saying, if you love the culture, we love you.
It's a Caribbean thing.
Yeah, man.
Zimmy.
Right?
Yeah.
It's like you heard it from the man himself, Jimmy Sequence, right here on I&I Radio. Right? Once again, Jimmy, thank you for passing through.
Yeah, man, enough respect.
We're gonna see you again soon. You already
Brandon, I know I'm going to see you and your father this
Yeah,
time.
man.
Gary, big up
Trust me.
Gary, because you don't know original youth.
Yeah, man. Each and every time enforcement crew rolling out this Sunday. All right.
Mad.
Keep your dots locked and listen. It's I&I Radio to take over.
Yeah, I gotta hit the road again.
Thank
Working
you for
all day.
coming.